This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to start. Plug the charger in and power the watch on by holding the side button until the logo appears. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are active and the companion app is installed. You'll sign into your account or create one now so settings sync. While the watch boots, tap through Initial Setup prompts to select language and region. This first stage gets the essentials in place so pairing can proceed without delays or missed permissions. You'll now pair the devices. In the phone app, choose Add Device and scan the watch's QR or enter the pairing code shown on screen. Once the app and watch detect each other, confirm any passcodes that appear to establish a secure link. Then allow required permissions, notifications, contacts, location, and health data so features work correctly. Make sure software versions match. The app may prompt you to update firmware. If an update is required, start it now and keep both devices charged and near each other. You're almost done. Personalize watch faces, arrange widgets, and set notification preferences so the device behaves the way you want. Install any essential apps from the companion app and let health and activity data sync fully. That may take several minutes. Once synced, test calls, messages, and a quick workout to confirm sensors respond. If something goes wrong, restart the phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, and attempt pairing again. A factory reset on the watch is a last resort, but often resolves stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.